4, 3, 2, 1. I eat. Where is eat? This one, not this one. We're talking about this one. Eat, yes. I eat banana. Where is banana? Well done. Can you read this one? Let's read. It's reading time. I
eat banana.
Well done, buddy. Can we do it one more time? Let's do. I hold the card. Yes. I drink. Yes, good job. I drink water. Where is water? Wow, good job. Let's read this one. What is this? Let's read the sentence. I
drink water.
Very good. Well done. Give me high five for this. High five. Only high five. High five. Now, one more time. Now, Ryan, No, this one. I am going to do this one. I hold the I card. Yes. Feel. Where is feel? These 3 cards. Let's find out feel. Yes. I feel happy. Where is happy? Well done, buddy. Very good. Now, can you read this?
I feel happy.
Very good. Finish?
Finish.
Very good. Give me high five. Very good.